Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating a proper image and ensuring quality. Open Google Images and pick a high-resolution picture so it won't look blurry. Once you find it, open the image in a new tab to access the direct file or save it to downloads. Saving is safer if you'll edit or crop. Make sure the image matches or exceeds your screen pixels. This prevents stretching. Now that the file is ready, move on to accessing wallpaper settings on your Mac. You navigate to System Settings and open Wallpaper. On older Mac OS, open Desktop and Screensaver. Then drag the image file into the Wallpaper Preview area or click the plus button to add the folder where you saved it. This registers the image with Mac OS. Once added, select the image and pick a display option, Fill, Fit, or Center, so the picture isn't cropped awkwardly. Make sure to test on both light and dark appearance if you use appearance switching, as contrast can change. You finish by confirming the wallpaper on every display. If you have multiple monitors, check display's arrangement and set each screen individually. If the wallpaper appears pixelated, make sure you're using the original high-res file, re-download from Google Images selecting the largest size. If the change doesn't apply, restart Finder, Option-click Finder relaunch, or log out and back in to force the system to refresh. One tip: check for iCloud desktop syncing that may override local changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.